Good morning to everyone. Now we can move to the semi-automatic and automatic lathes. General purpose semi-automatic and automatic lathes. Automation is incorporated in a machine tool or machining system as a whole for higher productivity with consistent quality aiming, meeting the large requirements and overall economy. Such automation enable quick and accurate auxiliary motion, handling operation like tool, work mounting, bar feeding, tool indexing its repeatably with a minimum human intervention, but with the help of special or additional mechanism and control system. General purpose semi-automatic and automatic lathes. According to degree of automation, machine tools are classified as non-automatic where most of the handling operation, irrespective of process operation, are done manually like central lathe. Second of semi-automatic. Third one of automatic where all the handling or auxiliary operations as well as processing operations are carried out automatically. The conventional general purpose automated lathe can be classified as semi-automatic, capstan lathe, ramp type turret lathe, multiple spindle turret lathe, copying hydraulic lathe, automatic, automatic cutting of lathe, single spindle automatic lathe, Swiss type automatic lathe, multi spindle automatic lathe. The conventional general purpose automated lathe can classified as the other categories of automatic, semi-automatic of automatic lathes are vertical turret lathe, special purpose lathe, non-conventional type, flexibility automatic CNC lathe, turning center heads. Semi-automatic lathe. The characteristics features of such lathes are some major auxiliary motions and handling operation like bar feeding, speed changes, tool changes are done quickly and consistently with a lesser human involvement. The operators need lesser skill and putting lesser effort and attention. Suitable for batch or small lot production, costlier than central lathe of some same capacity. Capstan and turret lathe. Semi-automatic lathe. Capstan lathe and turret lathe are very similar in construction, operation and application. Figure schematically shows the basic configuration of capstan lathe. This is the basic configuration of capstan and turret lathe. This is the capstan lathe. In contrast, in the central lathe, capstan and turret lathe are semi-automatic. Possess an actually movable. Possess an actually movable, indexable turret in a place of tailstock. Hold large number of cutting tools. Up to 4 indexable tool posts on the front slide, 1 in rear slide, and up to 6 the turret. Indicated in the schematic diagram. Are more productive for quick engagement and overlapped functioning of the tool in addition to faster mounting and feeding the job and rapid speed change. In contrast, central lathe, capstan turret lathe are semi-automatic. Enable repetitive production of same job requiring less involvement effort and attention of the operator and free setting of work speed and feed rate and length of travel. Cutting tool are relatively costlier, are suitably and economically viable for batch production or small lot production. Turret lathe. It's a turret lathe. There are some difference between capstan and turret lathe, such as turret lathe are relatively more robust and heavy duty machines. Turret lathe are more robust and heavy duty machines. Capstan lathe generally deal with the short or long rod type blanks held in collet, whereas turret lathe mostly work on chucking type job held in quick acting chucks. In capstan lathe, the turret travel with limited stroke length within a saddle type gate block called auxiliary bed, which is clamped on the main bed as indicated where is the turret lathe. The heavy turret being mounted on saddle which directly slide with larger stroke length on main bed. There are some different in between capstan and turret lathe such as one additional guide rod or pilot bar is provided on the headstock of the turret lathe. External screw thread are cut in capstan lathe if required using a self-opening die being mounted in one face of the turret, whereas in turret lathe the external thread are generally cut if required by a single point or multi-point chasing tool. being mounted on the front slide and moved by short lead screw and swing type of offnet. Ram type turret lathe. Capstan lathe are usually single spindle and horizontal axis. Turret lathe are also mostly single horizontal type, but it may also be spindle. And vertical type, multi-spindle type. Multi-spindle vertical turret lathe. Turret lathe are mostly horizontal axis single spindle type. The multi-spindle vertical turret lathe are characterized by suitably used for lot or mass production of jobs, generally jacking type, relative large size, requiring limited number of machine operation. Machine axis, lesser floor space occupied, easy loading and unloading the blank finished job, relieving the spindle of pending loads due to job weight. Number of spindle 4 to 8. Basic configuration of multi-spindle automatic vertical lathe. Figure visualize the basic configuration of multi-spindle vertical turret lathe, which are comprised mainly of large disc type spindle carrier and a tool holding vertical ram as shown.